What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, if you guys can see, my woods used to be basically dead, but in a matter of 2 weeks, look at how green it's already gotten. Just all the green. It used to, if you guys remember from one of my older videos, there was no green around. The green wasn't even a thing in the woods. As you guys know, this is my house. And I'm just saying, I'm going to start getting ready on construction. Not today, of course, because I literally have like 30 minutes to record something until I got to go eat. But anyway, I basically wanted to show you what it, like, spring, because I think this is the same time I started my YouTube channel right here. And this video, I'm kind of thanking you guys for we hit 150 subscribers. By the time this video goes up, it'll probably be at like 160 by the growth we're growing at right now. But all I want to do is just thank you guys so much for all the support on my channel lately. We're hitting really good numbers on videos, and right now 150 subscribers. I never knew when I was gonna, or if I was ever gonna hit 100, to be fully honest. But we did, and I meant to make a video on 100, but when we hit 100 it was in the winter area, and I couldn't really make a good video out in the winter. But I want to thank you, and I just remember when I hit 13 subscribers, and I was so excited, so happy with myself, and I had like 2 videos up, and I was literally like, I was so happy. And now that I'm at 150, I can't imagine it. I can't imagine us getting to that 200 mark, that 300 mark. I never knew it was even gonna exist. I never, like, hitting 150 was like the mark where I knew that, you know, 1,000 is possible. It's not impossible anymore. Because I remember when I was sitting at, I think it was like 20 subscribers around there, I was just like, oh, I'm never going to hit 1,000. But, you know, you see all those videos online telling you to, or on YouTube, not online, telling you that, oh, 150, or how to get your first 100 subs, what to do. They all say the same thing, and I watch probably every single one of those, and a lot of them, they all said the same thing, basically. And one thing that stuck out to me from all the videos is just staying active, staying on YouTube, don't quitting. And that is my best advice to any of you guys, small YouTubers. You're gonna get discouraged when you hit like 2 views on a video. You're gonna get discouraged when that happens. And I understand. I've been in that situation right there before. One thing you have to do is, let's just say you're uploading once every week. The one thing you have to do is you got to keep moving. You got to keep uploading videos. Don't just stop right at 150. Or don't just stop when you're hitting 2 subscribers and you're just like, oh, I'm going to take a break. Don't take a break. The one thing that stuck out to me is don't take breaks. Breaks are really bad for your YouTube channel because you get penalized. They might not say you get penalized, but your YouTube channel gets penalized pretty big. And I know with experience, my YouTube channel was penalized quite a bit because it was mostly because I uploaded like one every 2 days before, and then I stopped. I went to one every week. That I got a small penalization for that. And you might be wondering, what is a penalization? It just means that basically your YouTube channel does not get seen. Like they don't, maybe for your next video they won't show it to as many people. So the one thing you got to do is you got to keep uploading, keep fighting through, and eventually you'll be at 150. I never knew this was going to happen. It's been, I think it's 1 year now, actually. 1 year, so this is kind of like 1 year anniversary. And well, I'm going to continue going until my phone camera just dies or something like that, and hopefully I get a new one. But yeah, so anyway, guys, thank you guys for all the support on my channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. And if you want to see more, just comment down below and say what should I do. I want to do more metal detecting. I want to do some more work on my house and build a new one. As you guys know from a previous video, I'm going to build a workshop. And yes, but if you guys are at all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Our next goal would be 200 subscribers. And school's not over. We got 2 weeks left. Yeah, about 8 days left of school. So construction is going to start like after the 8 days, right after. I'm going to like build as many things, or as much as I can. I'm excited to build, and I'm tired of school. Kind of burnt out on school, but I'm keeping my grades up. That's all that matters. But anyway, guys, I've been dragging on this video. Thank you guys all for the support. Hit that like button down below, and we'll see you guys all later.